Hey guys, it's your girl Sambonbon back with another video for today. Today, I will be talking about my own review of the IPSY products. IPSY is just this makeup company where you can pay $12 a month. They give you like all these different like name brand products that you get to try out. They come in like little, like smaller, like sample sizes kind of, but you only have to pay. I'm recording. Sorry. No, it's fine. What's really cool though, so a little background about being a user of IPSY. When you make your account and you get these monthly bags, it's basically like 5 items that come with it. And what's really neat is that out of the 5 of them, 1 product you actually get to choose. So the 4 other ones, they just choose like some random products for you to use. But the one, they give you like a different list of like what kind of stuff you want. So for me personally, when I'm choosing what I want, I'm kind of like, what do I have already? You know, like in my makeup bag, what do I want more of or what do I want to try? Oh yeah, and another thing is when you are becoming an IPSY member, basically they'll give you like all these questions to answer just to, you know, get to know you better and like what you like to use. So they'll ask, do you prefer, you know, like lipstick over like lip gloss, for example. They'll ask, oh, what kind of hair do you have? Would you be interested in having, you know, hair products? And I said yes, so I'm excited that I got it because I was interested in that. And I'm gonna show you guys what is in my July IPSY bag. So this is the cute little packaging, as like discover yourself right here. It has all the stuff on here, you know, all that. And I just really like the packaging of it. I think it's just so adorable. So it's time to open it up. This is the bag for this month. It's a little clear one. Like barely clear, but it's like kind of clear. That's how it looks around. It says escape on it. It has this cute little, let me move up a little bit. It has this cute little airplane tassel on it. So I'm assuming they were trying to go with like a vacation theme, you know, regardless of like Corona happening, it's just the idea of, you know, vacation. So I think that's why they chose the theme of this for July. And I do have 2 more products in here that they actually gave me for free. Just because I've been using them for like the past like few months. So they gave me a blender. I'm assuming it's a blender one. It's Luxy Beauty and it's eyeshadow brush and it's meant for like blending. It's by Luxy, so I think that's really cool. I like that. I needed more. Then I got this banana setting powder. So I'm not sure who it's actually by. It doesn't say it on here. I think it's just banana. I think it's just BP's banana powder. So like that's what that one is. So I'm excited to use that because I've never used like a banana like setting powder. So that's gonna be exciting to use. Now it's time to get, you know, inside what I actually got. So I'm excited. Oh, they gave me a little card. Take a break, July 2020. Airplane mode your phone, put up a mental do not disturb. It's time to re-energize, whether it's a living room dance party or a bold lipstick. Take a break from the ordinary, let loose and go with the flow. That's so adorable. Usually they don't send like card things like to go with it. So I thought that was just really cute that they have like a take a break card. So the first one is this Pixie by Petra. I'm not sure how to say it, but it's a Pixie lip gloss. So I remember when they were telling me, another thing is, oh, I forgot to mention this, sorry. They make up the list of the stuff that you get, but they'll show it to you before you get it, just so you can get an idea of what you will possibly get. So I did see that I was gonna get a Pixie lip gloss. I'm gonna see how the Pixie lip gloss looks. Oh, it smells like peppermint. It smells good. Also, this, fun fact, is actually from the June bag. And it came with a highlighter and then blush, and they smell so good. Usually I'm against wearing like makeup that has like fragrance in it, but like it smells so like fresh and I just love it. It's actually something that I am obsessed with now and I use it like every time I do my makeup. That was the #1 thing I was looking forward to, if I'm being honest. Because lip gloss, I mean, the more glossy, the better. I mean, you can't just be walking around and not having your lips glossed. All right, so the next thing is this curl cream. It's Verb. It's Verb Shape plus Define, Defrizz plus Repair Curl Cream. And I was excited when I saw this on my list, and I really hope that it actually like helps with the frizziness in my hair, because that's something I struggle with, especially when it's the summertime, because it's literally like so dry outside. It's so hard to keep my hair moisturized. So I'm definitely gonna try this after I wash my hair the next time. All right, so on to the next thing. All right, so this is, ooh, I'm excited for this. Okay, so it's Essential C Day Moisturizer, Broad Spectrum SPF 30, and it says it's by Murad. I'm not sure if that's how you say it or not, But I'm excited to use this because if you guys watched my everyday like skincare routine, which I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out, I do use a moisturizer, but the SPF is only 15, and now being in the middle of July, the sun is very, very strong. So I was like, I kind of wanted to get something that had a little bit higher SPF. So I'm so excited they sent this because I'm like, that's what I wanted. I'm gonna open it up because I'm gonna see like how big the sample is actually. All right, it's tiny as fuck. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little disappointed. I thought this was gonna be a bigger box. I thought it was gonna be like this size. I thought it was gonna at least be like that, but it's like very, very small. Usually they don't have things that are like this small. Oh yeah, and the last thing, so this is tattoo liner. It's waterproof liquid liner. Let me see if you guys can see it. So that's how it looks. This actually looks really adorable. I love how this eyeliner like looks. So this is actually the product I was able to choose. It gave me like different lists of other things, like some of it was like lip gloss or like lipstick, or it was like some eyeshadow, and I was like, oh, like I need liner because I'm like running out of it. So I'm excited to use this. Now because I'm already wearing eyeliner, I'm gonna just show you guys how it looks like on my hand, just to like show you like if it's like really consistent. Yes. Let me shake it first. There we go. Okay. I just put lotion on, so it's pretty consistent. Like, I think that looks like really good. Now, these I'm not gonna try at the moment because I already have, like, I already have my, what's this again? I already have my moisturizer on. I already did my hair, and I already have, that on. I'm not gonna try this either just because, again, I already did my makeup, so.
Tomorrow.
So it's the next morning, and I'm in the bathroom right now. And I know I said I wouldn't try those things, but I decided that I will try them because I just cleaned my face. Like, I literally just woke up, so I do like my morning skincare routine. So I'm gonna try this on my face. I'm gonna see how like it smells and all that. I'm assuming that because it's SPF 30, it's probably gonna smell like sunscreen. All right, so it smells like sunscreen like I thought it would. Oh my God, I look so exhausted right now. It smells like pretty good. It smells like kind of like how sunscreen would smell, but like a little bit more fruity, like citrus smell to it. But I mean, it smells good. My skin looks really radiant. I like this. I think this is gonna be great. Let me put a little on my lips. You can't be missing the lip. I'm gonna try to apply that liner I was talking about yesterday. Oh, it's upside down. The liner. All right, got my handy dandy mirror. Oh my God, it looks so dirty. Okay. It's applying pretty well. Let's see how the wings look, y'all. Oh my God, it looks pretty good actually. It applied pretty well. It's not the best wing I've done, obviously, because I'm just like literally just got up and I'm just putting makeup on my face, but I'm doing this so you guys can see like the consistency of it. So let's see if it comes off. It didn't. Wow, like literally it's not even like smudging like at all. Let's see if I rub it. Okay, now it smudges. I'm like, let's see if I wipe it if it goes away. Well, besides this point, it looks pretty good. Ooh. Oh, hold on. I just did a look right here. I wanted to try this real quick for you guys as well. That was the banana powder. I just want to see if it applies like really good. I'm just going to take this off anyway after I do this. So I'm going to apply this kind of like I would if I was to like actually wear like makeup. So I'm going to use my tinted moisturizer just on like one side of my face, just because I want to make sure that the powder is actually like the right color. So we're gonna see, and that's how it looks in here. It's like powdery. This is how it comes out. I mean, this is with nothing on, and then this is with that on. The only thing that I don't like is that, I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but like up close, you know what? Let me turn my camera around. My camera's facing the other way. So like the only thing is like if you look like up close, like right here, it kind of like stacks like really weirdly like on my skin and like on the tinted moisturizer. It's not my favorite. Might make use of this, but I mean at this point I kind of give it like 5 out of 10 or like a 6 out of 10. But that's, I mean, I haven't used it like when I'm doing my actual makeup. I think it'll be fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You guys can leave a comment below if you have any questions about the products or like anything that stood out to you guys. I will be more than happy to answer those questions. I hope maybe watching this video, you guys maybe want to start using IPSY. If not, I completely understand. This just works for me, and I just thought I would share my experience with you guys. But as always, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys for next week's video.